Every product you order, every package that arrives at your door, every shipment crossing an ocean, none of it happens by chance. Behind each delivery is a precisely orchestrated system of planning, movement, and intelligence. Welcome to shipping, logistics, and third-party logistics. The shipping, logistics, and 3PL sector is the circulatory system of the global economy. It encompasses shipping companies, freight operators, warehousing providers, and third-party logistics firms that manage end-to-end supply chain solutions, from the factory floor to the final destination. As e-commerce explodes and global trade intensifies, this industry has transformed into a technology-powered ecosystem where speed, visibility, and precision are no longer advantages. They are baseline expectations from every customer, every business, every day. Within shipping, logistics, and 3PL, data analytics is the command center that makes operations smarter at every level. Route optimization algorithms process thousands of variables simultaneously. Inventory analytics ensure warehouses maintain ideal stock levels, eliminating both shortfalls and surplus. Real-time shipment tracking keeps customers informed and operations accountable. And predictive analytics identifies supply chain disruptions before they escalate, enabling teams to respond proactively rather than reactively. Artificial intelligence, IoT, and automation are fundamentally redefining how goods move around the world. Autonomous robots handle warehouse sorting and retrieval with speed and accuracy that no manual workforce can match. AI-powered logistics control towers provide end-to-end visibility from a single platform. Blockchain technology is bringing unprecedented transparency and security to shipment documentation and trade compliance. The demand for data-driven talent in this sector is growing as fast as the industry itself. Supply chain data analyst, logistics operations analyst, 3PL analytics consultant, demand planning specialist, fleet performance analyst, last mile optimization expert. These careers are at the core of keeping global commerce moving. Analytics Learners offers dedicated programs designed to equip you with the skills this industry demands most. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up, your supply chain career starts here. Chart your course with Analytics Learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.